The Hivax Concordat did not invade with ships, they invaded with biology. They were a parasitic race that viewed other species as mere organic housing. They had integrated 1,000 worlds, rewriting the DNA of every living thing until the original species was erased and replaced by the Concordat's Hive-Mind. When they reached the Sol system, they sent a microscopic spore cloud toward Earth, broadcasted on a cellular level. Resistance is a chemical error. We are the evolution you have been waiting for. We are you. The Concordat arrived with a seeding barge, a vessel the size of a mountain designed to rain billions of mutagenic spores into the atmosphere. They expected a frantic human defense, vaccines, filters, or fire. Earth did not launch a single interceptor. They did not seal their cities. They did not fight the cloud. They sent a single medical-grade vial, empty of liquid, containing only a vacuum, directly into the heart of the seeding barge. The Concordat's overmind pulsed with amusement as the vials shattered in their primary incubation chamber. You send an empty bottle to stop a plague? Your desperation is a symptom of your weakness. Earth's reply was a sequence of genetic code broadcasted in a dry synthetic voice. We didn't send a bottle to stop you. We sent a mirror. Look at your own code. The Concordat ignored the message and began the seeding, but the spores didn't mutate the humans. Instead, the spores began to attack the barge itself. The living metal of the ship began to dissolve. The Concordat parasites within the crew started to unintegrate, their DNA unraveling into basic, inert proteins. The vial hadn't been empty. It had contained a retrovandal, a synthetic strand of DNA that didn't kill the Concordat, but reminded their cells how to be independent. Reconnect! The Overmind screamed as its collective consciousness began to fragment into billions of terrified, isolated voices. But there was no reconnection. Humanity had identified the exact genetic anchor that held the Hive-Mind together and simply deleted it. Within 3 hours, the seeding barge wasn't a threat. It was a pile of organic sludge drifting in orbit. There were no explosions, no stardust, just the absolute, terrifying silence of a billion minds that had forgotten how to think together. The vial's final broadcast played on a loop for the rest of the Concordat's retreating scouts. We spent centuries curing our own cancers. You were just another malignancy. Stay in your own skin. The Hivax Concordat entered a permanent quarantine, never daring to touch another world. They didn't stop because they were outcompeted. They stopped because they realized that humanity didn't just understand biology. They treated the entire galaxy as a patient they were willing to operate on without anesthesia.